Hey guys, Star here. If you're an online creator and you're using Facebook or Instagram for lead generation, or you want to incorporate conversations that'll lead to sales in your business, then you're definitely going to want to check out this video. I'm going to show you how you can set up direct conversations on your website for both Facebook Messenger and Instagram DMs without having to route people to those channels. They can have those conversations in live time with you directly on your website. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level of HighLevel. We're going to go ahead and click on Sites on the left-hand side. Once you click on Sites, let's just go up to the top and click on Chat Widget. Once you've selected Chat Widget, you're going to have some options. We're going to go ahead and click Plus New. Once you've selected that, you'll have your Instagram chat option and you'll also have a Facebook chat option. It's important to note that if you do not already have your Instagram connected, there will be a notification that will allow you to integrate your Instagram account or your Facebook business account. And in that case, you'll select the appropriate business page. Let's go ahead and select Facebook chat. Okay, so now that you've selected your Facebook chat, we're just going to go ahead and select styles. Here you're going to have some options in terms of the chat icons, customizations for color. You can also update your welcome message and you can enable your greeting. Then at the bottom, you're going to have widget customization. So for the widget customization, you can replace your image, your avatar image with your own photo if you'd like to, or any other image that you'd like to have there, and then select the widget position. Then you're going to go ahead and select chat window. Here's where you're going to go ahead and either leave it as have a question, or you can update the actual chat window title. From there, you'll have an intro message that you can customize, and then you can add what information you want for the contact forms. Do you want to have name, phone number, or message? From there, you'll go ahead and have a pre-filled message text, and you'll have chat with us. Now, here at the bottom, you're going to see that I have Facebook chat setup. This is where you'll have the opportunity to select the business page in which you actually want the chat widget selected for. If not, you can connect a linked Facebook page by clicking this blue option. You'll get a list of pages and then you'll select the business page that you want to connect. We also have additional options. You can leave your agency branding turned on. You can, if you do so, you do need to add a URL. You can consent for the checkbox with HIPAA, or you can completely toggle off your agency branding. Now we have messaging. So for messaging, you do have acknowledgement, and so you can have your customer support contact information, which is a phone number or email address. You can also go ahead and have an acknowledgement message. In this case, it says one of our representatives will contact you, and an acknowledgement greeting. Then you can select the actual acknowledgement icon that you want to have. You can see here that we have a green check mark. So you can actually select the type of check mark that you want, or you can upload your own icon. You can change the color of this icon to match your branding, or you can leave the selected color that we already have here. Now you can go ahead and select your language. So once you've set everything up to your liking and customization, then you can go ahead and save. Once you've saved your chat widget, it's time to embed it. You can actually click Get It for WordPress. In our case, we're going to go ahead and select Get Code. We're going to copy this code, and now we can go ahead and embed this directly on our HighLevel funnels or websites. So let's go back to Sites. We're going to head on over to a website. Let's click our website, and let's go ahead and edit. We're going to go ahead and do a quick add for CSS, and that's going to allow us to add the code. Go ahead and select Custom HTML. Then we're going to select Open our code editor. We're going to copy and paste the code, and then we're going to save that. Once you've saved it, go ahead and save, then publish. Let's preview our website. So you'll now see that we actually have our chat widget ready to go. We have the customization that we've entered. And so instead of directing someone to our Facebook business page, they can fully communicate with us directly here on our website instead of pointing them to Facebook Messenger. So this is a wonderful feature. Now I'm going to quickly show you how you can set this up for Instagram. We're just going to follow the exact steps. So when you click on Sites, you're just going to go ahead and select Chat Widget. We're going to click on New. And we're just going to do the same thing for Instagram chat. We'll select Instagram chat. You'll have your styles that you can customize, same as before. Check out your messages. You can enable a custom greeting. We also have the widget customization. Now, the chat window is going to be very important because you can go ahead and put in your intro message and the chat title. But most importantly, we want to select the Instagram setup. So here's where we're going to choose your Instagram account. Okay, so make sure that you select the proper one. If you don't have one already connected, just go ahead and connect a linked Instagram account and you'll get a list of your Instagram accounts, and go ahead and select the one that you want to add by hitting on connect. Okay, once you've done that, go ahead and select additional options, update that with the URL if you need to, or toggle the agency branding off. We're gonna go ahead and save this, and you can see the branding here for Instagram, which I love. We're gonna go ahead and save this. We're gonna get the code. You can copy this code, and then you're just simply gonna go over to your website just like we did before, and you're just gonna embed that code. And now your Instagram widget is going to be hosted on your website. So go ahead and set up your Facebook or Instagram chat widget and embed it on your website today. This will allow for you to have seamless communication for users across the platforms that they love to use. Don't forget to check out our corresponding help doc below. And for more tutorials like this one, check out our Content Army playlist. I'll see you guys in the next one.